Okay. So riding after many days, it feels really good, man. Let's go. Hey there, welcome to the channel for another video. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video. So today I'll be doing something new that I have never done in this channel. I'll be doing motovlogging and hope it turns out well, and hope you people like it. And if you do, then hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. Saying that, let's move forward with the video. I'm also thinking of taking a restoration project into my hand, and it will be restoration of our old 2-stroke Bajaj Super scooter that we own. So I'll first try to start the scooter by myself, and then after the lockdown is over, I'll get it painted and restore it completely. But I won't be showing anything about the scooter in this video. I will make a completely different playlist for the restoration project, and I will keep on adding the progress that had gone into the scooter. Now coming back to the motovlogging part, the new SOPs and the lockdown guidelines says that the shops have to be closed by 11 a.m. and it's already 10:15 a.m. So without making any further delay, like talking while sitting in the home, let me grab my gear and let me see you out while I am riding. Hello guys, so out on the road. I don't know how the sound quality is, but I hope it's good and it will perform well. I have like installed a dead cat into my helmet. Yeah, I'm riding a Vespa. I own a Vespa VXL. Nothing much fancy. So thing about motovlogging is you can start with any bike. It doesn't mean you have to have a really great or expensive bike or whatever camera setup. Also, this is my first official motovlogging. I have tried it before, but due to some reasons I didn't ever uploaded the videos. So let's hope these are good. Also, I was talking about I'm going to buy a thing. So that thing is I'm going to buy fuel for a very old scooter. We have a Bajaj Super, like a 2-stroke scooter, and it's almost 28 years old because my father bought it 2 months before I was born. So practically we both are of same age. So I'm going to buy fuel for that, and I'm thinking of making that a project. So like restoration project, I want to restore that and to like bring it back to life because it's been sitting around for like 3 or 4 years. First of all, I will try to start it, and then I'm thinking of doing full restoration. Like I'll be doing a stock restoration, like the original paints and all. So let's see how much I can go. Due to the lockdown, the workshops and paint shops are not working. So after 15 days are over, like the inter-district movements will be starting, and then so yeah, I was talking about the inter-district lockdowns and all. So the inter-district movement is not going on, and also the shops are getting closed by 11 a.m. So it's not easy to do some kind of those things like at the present situation. So I'm now going to buy fuel for the Bajaj Super. So thing about those scooters are that they don't run on normal fuel. If anyone have tried to or ever ridden a 2-stroke bike or scooter like RX100, in RX100 there's a chamber when you can put on the oil, but in scooters you don't have, so you have to mix the oil while refilling it. So going to do that. I was thinking of going away from gathering, but यहाँ पे तो gathering ही gathering है. So taken my fuel. Now the thing is, in this petrol station I didn't got the oil. I mean, while riding a scooter or two-stroke vehicle, I told you before, you need to mix some parts of oil with the petrol or fuel. So now the thing is, I have to buy the oil separately and then mix it up with the fuel in the gallon. So I'm going there to another gas station to see if I can buy some oil or not, or to a shop I have to buy it separately and then mix it up. It will work. Hope it will work. So I'm right now in Nazira, Sibsagar. This is Nazira town. So we are out. So let's look around my hometown. It's a fairly small place. I also wanted to avoid gathering, but the chances are very slim, I guess, to avoid any gathering. Arey, let's go. The shops are closing by 11 a.m. I have to do it fast. Like, there's a shop where two-wheeler parts are available, so I have to look for that shop. Samrat Automobile. I'm getting near to that place. No, the shop is not here. I have to make the turn. Yeah, so I hope I can do the restoration and I can show it back to my father, because it was his first buy, and there's lots of history with the scooter, like lots of memories of our family with that scooter. So we are never going to sell that. Now let's see if I can get some tutti or oil for my scooter. अंकल जी स्कूटर के लिए मोबिल चाहिए था, वो तेल में डालने के लिए. टूटी ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए, 50 रुपये का कुछ. कितना है? दीजिए. वो पैकेट में नहीं है क्या? ये अच्छा होगा ना? जीएसटी लगा के चीज़ों का दाम बढ़ा दिया है. कितना बोले? ले लीजिए. रुकिए, 20 रुपये है. रुकिए 20 रुपये ले लीजिए, डायरेक्ट ले लीजिए. So this is the oil for my scooter. Hope it will work. I have to mix it up with the fuel that I have in the gallon. Where is the key? I have to take it in my under storage space. So this is the best part about owning a scooter. You can carry lots of stuff under its seat. Is it recording? Yes, it's recording. So now back to home, because it's not safe to be out. So what I was saying, it is not that safe to be out on the road, and let's get back to home. But before that, let me show you the place around my hometown. So this is the town. That was actually the end of the town itself. There's more places out there. I'll be showing you some other day. Today let me show you something else. Like the river part, yeah, there is a river near to our township and it's called Dikho River. Famous in Assam, like in Upper Assam, it's famous. There are songs written on it, like romantic Bihu songs and all. People always come forward. Battery rickshaw. गैदरिंग, बैंक में गैदरिंग, यहाँ कोरोना नहीं होता है. Joking apart, you should wear mask before going somewhere. Always wear mask. No kidding, this COVID-19 is not a kidding stuff right now because people are actually dying. Sudden braking, क्या करते हो? So I guess most of you know Sipsaro is a very historic place and Ahom used to live here and rule all over Assam from here. So right now I am going towards Gargaon where the Ahom palace or King's palace is called the Karinghar. So let's go there. Here is one statue, a newly made statue here. So, hope you can see it. So right now going near to the Dikho bridge in Nazira. This is in Nazira. So this is the river. The shops are getting closed due to the new SOP which directs to close the shops by 11 AM. I don't know how they are doing the business. I'll be going far. I'll be showing a little stuff. I'll be doing these things like this kind of motovlogging another day. Just because I am out and let's see. So this is the bordwar where you can go to the King's Palace, Ahom King's Palace. So this is Nazira, but this is not Nazira, this is called Balikhat. Like after the bridge it's called Balikhat, then we'll come to another place called Sonpura. Big house. I've had Continental GT 650. Good with my Vespa VXL. But yeah, someday I will buy the Triumph Street Twin. That's my ultimate dream bike for now. Let us turn. Let's go a little bit more and then we'll turn back. So this is Sonpura. Let's turn back from here. Wait for the cars. Nobody is coming. Yes, let's go. So, riding after many days, it feels really good, man. Okay, let's see if we can go or not. Let's just go if we are here. So let's just go and see the King's Palace. Let me show you. The road has been made by Modi ji. Now lots of houses has been made, so we have reached, but we cannot enter because lockdown. So here you can see Ahom Raja's palace. So that's it, that's the Ahom Raja's palace. I won't be waiting here because can't take risk of police getting near, or this might be the police vehicle. So this is the Ahom Raja's palace. We'll come someday, some different day or other day, and I will then show you like the inside if we can do video shoot. I will do video shoot and I will show the inside. So that's it, that's the Ahom palace. Very rich home. This house looks nice, simple but nice. People have constructed many houses here. Wow, this one also great house. I think Ahom king have given them lots of money. They are making really very beautiful and expensive houses out here. So let's now drive a bit fast. So the shops are closed by 2 p.m. Everything else will be closed. So right now I am getting near to my home, and that's all for today. If you like the video, then subscribe to our channel, and if you have watched till now, then like the video, share it. Now back to my home, and before ending the video I would like to say that if you have watched the video till now, then hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video to this channel. Also stay tuned for the next upcoming videos, and till then take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye.